One,
two,
one,
two.
three, hey!
And I came home like a storm, and I feel head into your arms. These days of darkness, which we know will blow away with this new sun. And I kneel down, wait for now. And I kneel down on my ground. I will wait for you. And I will wait for you. So break my step and relent. You forgave, but I won't forget. Not what we see, and him with less. Now it's some way, shake the excess. And I will wait for you. 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 So I be bold as well as strong, and use my hand alongside my heart. So tame my flesh and fix my eyes, but turn mine free from the lies. And I kneel down, wait for now. And I kneel down on my ground. Yeah! Raise my hands, in my spirit go bow my head, keep my heart slow. And I will wait for you. And I will wait for you. And I will wait for you. And I will wait for you.
Hi guys, how's going on? Thanks for watching this video. My name is Simon. He's Matthew. And she's our camera girl.
If you like this video, you can subscribe down here and follow us on Facebook. So thank you again and see ya.
Thanks, see ya. One, two, 1, 2. three, freeze!
Freeze!
Freeze! One!
Bring that Leroy Brown. Big bad Leroy Brown, you got no common sense. You got no brain, but shut
Hi guys, how's it going on? Hi guys, my name is Hi guys, how's it going on? Thanks for watching this video. My name is Simon. No, ma dico Simone o dico Simon? Però dico Simon in inglese.
Sì, dai, lasciamo dare.